Okay, I'm out in front of the Conestoga Village on Hilliard, 34th and Hilliard in Eugene. Let's take a quick run through for a human habitation that has everything a person could need. And these are some well-built Conestogas. Check it out. In a church parking lot, doesn't take up much space. Got enough room for what I think there's 6 habitations here. And they got a kitchen area and they got a water supply and everything you need. Let's go take a look. Nobody's home. Came by about 3 times today. Nice. Have the kitchen utility area right there. Stove. Pretty nice and homey, huh?